Hey, how's it going, guys? Ben here, Keller Williams Realty, and I was just going to let you guys know about an open house I'm having this Sunday from 2 to 4. It's going to be right here at 1414 Live Oak Circle, 37932 over here off of Lovell Road. It's pretty easy to find, maybe 3 turns off of Lovell Road. It's a great house, newly renovated. It's got, let me see, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, finished basement, privacy fenced in backyard, 2-car attached garage. It's selling for $259,000 and $259,000, and it's got 2,600 square feet, roughly. I think a little more, but yeah, come check it out, guys. This Sunday, come hang out with me. I hope I see you guys again. I'll probably do a video tour before the open house, and we'll go from there. I'm getting ready to door knock this neighborhood, see if I can get some people that are interested in coming and hanging out with me on Sunday as well. Maybe even get some buyers and sellers out of it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.